title of our entry is A Smile for the Planet. On June 5, 2018, India hosted the World Environment Day with the theme Beat Plastic Pollution. Our Union Minister for Environment, Dr. Harshvardhan, made a fervent appeal to all citizens, including school children, to think of ways to reduce plastic pollution. In his speech, he said that it is the interest of the earth that we all take the pledge to beat plastic pollution. This set me thinking of ways in which I can contribute to reducing plastic pollution. I discussed with my friends and they said, why don't we try to reduce the amount of plastic used in toothbrushes?
Every toothbrush that was made ever since it was invented in the 1930s still remains on the earth. Surprised? Don't be. Toothbrushes are made of plastic and are non-biodegradable. It is estimated that the United States alone discards around 1 billion toothbrushes annually.
How many toothbrushes do you use a year? I use about 14 toothbrushes. How many members live with you? In our family there are 6 members.
Okay, what do you think will happen to the toothbrush after you discard it?
Maybe it goes to the MCC and then it goes to the landfills or then it can be burned.
How many toothbrushes do you use a year? I use 12 toothbrushes every month.
How many members live in your family?
4.
What do you think happens to the toothbrush after you throw it?
Maybe they put it to the landfill and then burn or it stays in the landfill. Do you think it harms our environment?
Yeah, because it's plastic and if you burn the
Air pollution happens, but if it stays in the ground, large waves can happen.
How many toothbrushes do you use in a year?
6. How many members do you live with? 3 members in the family.
what do you think happens to the toothbrushes after you discard it?
Probably goes to the garbage. There I don't know what is done. Usually it is in the scrap or whatever.
Ma'am, do you think the toothbrushes spoil the environment?
Yeah, because there is quite a lot of plastic used. So I feel it is, but we have no other choice. We usually end up using the same toothbrushes. And after a few months, the bristles are off, so we buy a new one and throw this in.
Thank you, ma'am.
Consider every country and try to estimate the amount of toothbrushes that are discarded every year. Can we reduce the amount of plastic used in a toothbrush? This is the problem we are trying to solve.
You might say that bamboo toothbrushes are available in the market. That's true, but have you considered the cost? A set of 4 bamboo toothbrushes cost 430 rupees. Can an average Indian afford to spend 100 rupees on a toothbrush every month? No, isn't it?
We have come up with a solution that can reduce the amount of plastic used in making a toothbrush and yet keep it affordable. In fact, our innovation might even reduce the cost of the toothbrush, making it even more affordable to all Indians.
Take a look at what we have done. After trying a few different methods, we came up with the idea of a toothbrush where only the head needs to be changed and not the handle. After all, you don't put the handle into your mouth, do you? The head can be screwed into the handle and the handle can be used for many years without being discarded.
To make this prototype, we used a 3D printer to make the handle to which we fixed the head of existing toothbrushes. We would like to make the head with biodegradable materials as well. If the bristles, which are made of nylon, can be replaced with some other material, it will be great. As the next step, we would be finding ways to do this. Beating plastic pollution contributes to Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Let's join hands and contribute to this movement. Thank you.